Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Wandering Mike Holiday Special Christmas 2020. Yay! Okay, moving on. What we're going to do today is take a look at eating utensils. Well, one in particular, the UCO Utility Spork. I was slow to move to a spork. I carried whatever I would pull out of the drawer at home, just a stainless steel fork and spoon, and stick it in my backpack, and off I would go. Eventually, I saw these in a bin for $2 and $3 a piece all over the place, and I said, those are pretty light. Let's give that a try. So I picked one up, started testing it, and I've been using these for about a year now. I have several of them. I've accumulated them here and there, and I've done nothing in particular to take care of them. I just kind of let everybody treat them however they treated them. And they have held up amazingly well. The thing that I was really concerned about with these was going to be like the edges, where when it would come out of the mold, there would be just those little edges, the little pieces of plastic. And, they would be sharp and cut your lip or, irritate your lip. And I was also a little concerned about the micro serrations, they call it right there. I was concerned about the same thing, that whenever you put it in your mouth, and that it would kind of saw on the corner of your lip. And it actually didn't do that. Now, just to be safe, they're, like I said, the plastic from the mold, if you go around the spoon with your finger, you can feel if there's anything on there, and you can basically just kind of shave it off with your thumbnail like this. And after doing that, I have had no issues with any kind of sharp or uncomfortable edge on that. I haven't had any problem. I haven't even remotely come close to breaking one. I've been using them to cook with. If you've seen a couple of my other videos, there's an orange one that I've been using, and I've been digging around in a cast iron skillet right after it came off the flame. Pretty good seasoning on the skillet. Didn't stick too bad. Stirring boiling food and a Swedish mess kit with it. And I haven't had any problems at all with any kind of melting or disfiguration. I'm actually pretty impressed. I mean, for $3 you can't go wrong. The specs on this is made out of a glass-filled nylon. It's 7 inches by 1.3 inches by 0.75 inches. It weighs 0.53 ounces. It's dishwasher safe. It's BPA free, and there's actually a lifetime warranty. Now, I haven't explored the lifetime warranty and see what it covers and how that works or anything, but it might be something to look at. There you go, the UCO Utility Spork. I'm so impressed with it. I've actually picked up a switch, which is a two-piece system. That's where the knife is separate, but they combine into one utensil. And depending on how that goes, I'll probably pick up their mess kit and take a look at that as well. I don't have one of those. But I mean, they're 13 or 14 bucks, so I'll probably pick one of those up and give that a try and make a little review on that as well. Well, I guess that's about it for today. Like I said, this was going to be a short one because, not a lot you can cover with a spork. But I just really wanted to make this one because for a $3 product, I was just super impressed and I'm incredibly happy with it. In fact, I carry one every day in my backpack that I carry back and forth to work. It's what I use to eat my lunch with at work. And, you know, you can just kind of wipe them off with a paper towel and go about your business. And I know that sounds kind of gross, but sometimes you got to do what you have to do. But at any rate, yeah, the UCO Spork. Go out and pick one up. It's a wandering Mike thumbs up. You all take care. Thanks for watching.